season 3. I mean, we have shown the like proper climax and the ending also, where uh, the guy is happy with the girl. They get off on a good note, romantic note, and they get married. Now, we have shown everything possible. Now, what can we show in season 4? There is nothing to explore. To which I actually thought about it, and I actually realized that yes, this guy makes sense because we have nothing to explore in season 4. I mean, you guys have been waiting, wanting season 4, so let me ask you, but uh, what do you want in season 4? Like, what exactly do you want in season 4? Marriage is not shown. You're saying, come on, if the girl is dressed up in a red sari and the guy is all dressed up, so what do you expect? I mean, they're about to get married. So, do you want the marriage to be shown in the first episode, and then what? Do you want us to show how we go on honeymoon, how we go on grocery shopping, how do we make kids, or whatever? I mean, come on, it sounds funny, but what do you want to watch? Exactly, like we are taking out our babies out somewhere shopping, or what do you want exactly us to do? How do we shop? What do we do? And how do we pass our 9 to 5 job after getting married? I mean, we've shown everything. I mean, be it any other show, you see marriage or anything, that's how we end on a good note, that the couple is happy, the friends are happy, or anyone has to be happy. So there's nothing more to explore on season 4. Sorry to burst the bubble, but yeah, there goes the reality. There is nothing more to to explore or elaborate on the storyline when it comes to Cassie Ayaria. So I'm actually actually, according to me also, it makes sense, and I'm really sorry to tell you guys that it seems very unlikely for season 4 to happen. And in case if it happens, I'll be very happy, I'll be delighted, I'll be excited, and I'll give my 100% again. But if anything that you want regarding season 4, I have answered my bit. And if you still have any doubts, or if you still want to ask and all, you can go ahead, ask the channel, in fact, and request for them for season 4. I'll be glad to be a part of it. But yeah, like I said, this is the answer, and this, according to me, makes sense. I think we should move on, and we should start working on new projects, exciting projects. And let me tell you, I am actually looking forward to do something really romantic, something on the lines of Cassie Yaria. And because I feel that romance is my forte, and I'm missing romance. I'm missing romance in acting. I'm missing romance. Like, I want to uh, play a character where this guy has intensity, or where I have some sort of hold and passion towards the girl or towards my life. So I want to play some character. So I'm actually looking forward to play something really romantic, and I miss romance. I miss playing that romantic guy. So yes, very soon, hopefully, you guys will be able to watch it, and I'm really excited. So yeah, I'm actually waiting for something to happen. So yeah, you guys will be able to see it. So I'm actually missing out romance, and you will get to see the Cassie Yaria romance very soon. Well, yes, I know people are saying I miss your romantic avatar. I know that is actually, even I miss it now, and I feel that it's been quite some time that I haven't performed or done anything on the romantic genre. So yeah, I want to explore that again, and I want to play something which has a lot of passion and intensity. Please try to come live on 21st July. 21st July, 21st July. What is 21st July? I don't know what is 21st July. I'm sorry. But yeah. Is your music video coming out soon? Well, yes, my music video is coming out soon. It's not in my hands again. I have done my part, and again, I'll be shooting for a couple of more music videos. So, yeah, there are a couple of music videos lined up, so you'll be able to watch it. What else? So please ask me questions which make sense and not some stupid questions. I don't know. I mean, You confuse us foodie people who are trying to stay fit with your stories. Well, I'm really sorry for that, but yeah, at least I am giving you a bit of food life that you guys should actually explore also. Am I still in America? Yes, I am in America, and I will be coming back in a day or so. My flight is there, and finally, I'm coming back after a long break, and I can get back to uh, the Mumbai routine, the usual routine, and I can get back to my meetings and get back to work. So, inshallah, things should fall in place. Amidst all this, I know situation over there has been really bad, but it has improved to a greater extent, and the cases have dropped drastically. So I'm happy about that, and I'm sure that we are fighting. Everyone's fighting strong, and everyone's being healthy. And it takes a lot of courage to be in the same state of mind, to be happy, to keep up yourself motivated. It takes a lot of courage. So hats off to you guys, and. Yes, time really flies. It's been 2 months for me since I've been here, and I'll be going back now. And I've had some wonderful memories. I've had some great memories over here, and happy memories. And I loved every bit of it. The food, the travel, going to places, Texas, even Ann Arbor or New York, meeting friends, going out for dinners, exploring new places, New York Edge, the vessel, everything. So yeah, I enjoyed. I had a great time. Okay, what else? Oh, 21st July is Casey Arya's first day. Oh, okay. My bad. So, okay, fine. So, if that's the case and you guys want me to do a live with Neeti, then I would rather ask her first. And let's see. And let's figure out a time. And since you guys are requesting that, so yes, that's the least we could do as the people from the show for Cassie Arya. So yeah, I would definitely ask her and fix up a time, and let's see if that is possible on 21st. Okay, there goes your answer. Come to Bangalore soon. Yes, I am missing the weather of Bangalore, and I've been listening to a lot of my friends enjoying the weather out there. So hopefully I will come because it's been some time that I visited Bangalore. I will visit Bangalore very soon. Can you please say Twinkle? There. I took a name to do. What else? Please एक song सुनाइए. Okay, let me tell you, I'm not a singer. Okay, the way you're saying, please one request, sing a song. I am not a singer. You guys should ask a singer. I'm sorry, but I'm not a singer, and I don't want to embarrass myself. So I'm really sorry. I can't do that. When will you be back to India? Like I said, in a couple of days, I will be back, and I'll be back to Amchi, Mumbai. You have beautiful voice. Thank you so much, but I still won't sing. Thank you. आपको गुजराती आती है? पची छः, पची सात, पति आठ, पची आठ. No, I understand Gujarati, but I can't speak, unfortunately. But I understand, yes. But I sing so well. Well, I used to sing. There was a time, there was a